If your Wi-Fi suddenly disappears on Windows 11, and you notice there's no icon on the taskbar, even when you open settings and go to network and internet, you still don't see any Wi-Fi option at all. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to bring your Wi-Fi back on your PC. So, let's get started. First, let's check whether this is a Windows issue or a hardware issue. Click the Start menu. Search for CMD and open it. Now type ping 127.0.0.1. Then press Enter. If you see normal replies, your Wi-Fi hardware is working. But if you see general failure, the issue may be with the hardware or the network driver. In our case, the hardware is fine, so the problem is Windows. Let's move to the next step. Now, let's reset the Internet Advanced Settings. Open the Start menu again, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure View by is set to small icons. Now, click on Internet Options. Then go to the Advanced tab. Click Restore Advanced Settings. Then click Apply, and click OK. This will reset the Internet Advanced Settings. Let's move to the next step. Now, let's check that the Wi-Fi services are running. Open the Start menu. Type Services in the search, and open it. Scroll down, and look for WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click on WLAN AutoConfig, and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Then click Apply, and click OK. Now, look for W1 AutoConfig. Right-click on W1 AutoConfig, and open Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start. Then click Apply, and click OK. That's it for this step. Let's move to the next one. Now, let's check the Wi-Fi adapter. Click the Start menu. Search for Control Panel again, and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. Now, click Change Adapter Settings. If you see the Wi-Fi adapter here, right-click on it, and click Disable. Then right-click again, and click Enable. This will refresh the Wi-Fi adapter. If you do not see the Wi-Fi adapter here, the Wi-Fi driver may be missing. Let's move to the next step. Now, let's check the Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the Start menu, and choose Device Manager. Now, expand Network Adapters. If you see your Wi-Fi driver, right-click on it, and select Scan for hardware changes. Now, check whether the Wi-Fi icon has appeared or not. In some cases, Wi-Fi may already be back at this stage. If the Wi-Fi icon is still missing, right-click the Wi-Fi driver again, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select a compatible driver, and click Next. If Wi-Fi is still not showing, right-click the driver, and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again, and select Enable Device. If the issue continues, right-click the driver, and select Uninstall Device. Then just click Uninstall. Now, restart your PC. Click on the Start menu. Then click the power icon, and select Restart. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Once your PC restarts, check the taskbar again, and see if the Wi-Fi icon is now visible. If Wi-Fi is still missing, let's run the Windows Troubleshooter. Click the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Then open Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet. And click Run. Here, it identifies the problem. And follow the instructions shown on the screen to fix it. If this method doesn't fix it, then try to reset all network settings. Click the Start menu again. And open Settings. Then, go to Network and Internet. And click Advanced Network Settings. Now, open Network Reset. And click Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. Your PC will restart automatically. After the restart, check if the Wi-Fi option is back. If it's still not fixed, try the final method. Open the Start menu. Then, search for AutoConfig. And open it. Now, under the General tab, select Normal Startup. Then go to the Services tab. If Enable All is disabled, click Enable All. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now, restart your PC. And that's it. As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon is now showing on the taskbar. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.